Hi friends, today let's learn some interesting facts about a community helper construction worker. Community helpers are the individuals who live and work in our community and ensure that the community stays healthy, safe, and happy. These community helpers do everything they can to help us and make our lives easier by providing us with goods and services. Construction workers build or fix homes, roads, and buildings. They perform heavy physical labor and often work outdoors in all kinds of weather conditions. Many different kinds of workers may be involved in a construction project. Some have particular skills. Masons install and repair brick and stone work. Cement workers pour cement foundations. Iron workers install iron and steel beams and columns. Glaziers deal with glass windows, etc. Did you know that? In addition, tile installers, electricians, plumbers, roofers, and carpenters all work on different parts of a building. That's really cool, isn't it? Other construction workers have more general duties. They are known as construction laborers or helpers. They operate construction vehicles, load and unload building materials, or clean and prepare construction sites. That's really interesting, isn't it?
Thanks for watching.